Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get bubbles in Toca Boca. Toca Life World offers several ways to enjoy bubbles, from relaxing spa settings to playful bubble gum. We'll explore the newest location, the Bubble Bop Spa, which is packed with bubbly features. You can also find bubble gum in various places for your characters to chew and blow their own unique bubbles. Let's dive into the bubbly fun. To begin your bubbly adventure, head over to the Bubble Bop Spa. This exciting new location is easily found on your Toca Life World map, nestled between the Beaky Mountain and city districts. Once you arrive, you'll discover a bright and relaxing environment filled with unique features. The spa is designed to provide a truly immersive and bubbly experience for all your characters. Inside the Bubble Bop Spa, you'll find several ways to create bubbles. Look for the adorable snail bubble blowing machine. It's a key feature. To activate it, simply combine the designated bubbles item with the snail. You'll then see the pool start foaming with bubbles, and even bubbles falling from the sky, creating a magical atmosphere for your characters to enjoy. Beyond the spa, there are other fun ways to enjoy bubbles. You can find bubble gum in various spots, such as a purple lunchbox in a park or inside locker number 5 at the school. Give these to your characters, and they can chew them to blow their own unique bubbles. Additionally, many soap and bath products throughout Toca Life World can add a bubbly touch to your scenes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.